So good morning guys and welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, my name's Ellen and welcome to my channel. As everyone's New Year's resolutions go, and I am no exception at all, is that I want to be more fit this year. Last year I was off to a good start and I clocked that the other day. I said it on my previous video. And then I realised the reason I was so good at the beginning of the year is because you have that New Year hype. And you're like, yes, it's a new year, new me, new start, we'll go to the gym. And January I was doing so well, and then mid-year it just kind of lost its touch. Or I lost my motivation, that's the one. I lost my motivation for it, as I've lost my glasses just now. This year I am trying again to stay on top of it. I'm obviously looking very scruffy today while I'm talking about going to the gym. I am in my pyjamas at the moment, or pyjama bottoms at least, so you'll have to excuse that. But I just thought, new year, new me, going to the gym, and what helps you go to the gym and makes you feel more guilty about not going to the gym is new gym kit. So I actually bought these before Christmas in, I think it was Black Friday deals, and I just haven't got around to filming the video, so I thought, what other perfect chance to do it than now when everyone's going back to the gym. So I just thought I'd share with you my new gym kit from Gymshark, which I'm absolutely obsessed with at the moment. The first things that I got, I tried to buy kits rather than buying, or like a full cord, rather than just buying one here, one there, or things that would suit each other. So the first kit that I got, all of my leggings I bought in a size medium, and all of my tops I got in a size small, just for reference. And I also bought some socks, but I'll come to that in a second. So the first kit that I got then are these burgundy leggings and racerback sports bra kit. And the top was £21 and the bottoms were £25. I really love the colour, and I really like the colour of burgundy against my skin tone because it just pops and it looks really nice. And it's gonna sound really stupid, but basically I was playing an episode the other day. I do like episode, it's a guilty pleasure of mine. And one of the like gym kits they were wearing, or they had available, was black leggings and a red top, and I thought, oh my god, that looks amazing. But I really like this. I haven't had any gym sports bras like this before that actually clasp up at the back. I've had more like this one I got from Primani, and literally it's just like a stretchy band that you just pull on over your head. So I haven't had one that's like a bra that you clasp up at the back. So this is my first one of those, and it's actually really, really comfortable. And it's got adjustable straps as well, and it's just a racer back. Very, very comfortable and very soft material. Both of these have really soft materials. And the bottoms are really nice because I like ankle grazers, and these are ankle grazers. So these are really, really comfortable. Perfect length. Once again, really, really soft material. So here is the first kit. It's so soft. I can't tell you how soft it is. I don't know what they've put on it, but it feels, I don't know, it just feels really nice and soft. It's squat proof, I can tell you that now. It is fine. It's not restrictive at all. It's really comfortable. And then obviously you have the adjustable straps as well, which makes it even better. This is just so pretty, and I adore the colour on it. So the next kit I got then was a 3-piece, and I am so obsessed. I just saw the colour and it's just so pretty. I just thought this was going to be so cute and quite playful in the gym as well, because I normally stick to black and I don't really have that much colour that I wear to the gym, but they're just so pretty that I had to get them. So it's this sports bra that was £28, and obviously it comes with like padding, it comes with a bit of support, and that is the back. The leggings were £30, and then the long sleeve training top, which was £14. This is really nice. All the material for these is soft. The first one I showed you was really soft. I don't know what was different about it, it was just really soft. It doesn't have the thumb hole, but I don't mind that because sometimes I find that rubs. But it does have a little bit of ruching on the back, and I don't actually know the purpose of that, but hopefully it'll make your back pop, I don't know. And then this is the next kit. The sleeves are a little bit longer than I would like. I know I like my long sleeves, but for the gym, maybe not. Like, it's nice, but I just feel like it'd get in the way, especially if you like, I don't know, I just think that they're a bit too long for the gym. It's really, really nice. The only thing with this one, I don't know if you can tell already, but it's not suitable for black underwear, so this is mainly for like nude seamless underwear, although you can see the lines because of the colour of my underwear, but you can't see the lines irrespective of that or regardless of that. And then, like I said, it's got some ruching on the back. I don't know what the purpose of it is for, but it's still really nice and I do really like it. I just think it's such a cute set, so playful, so fun. And then this is what the sports bra looks like, and from the back it's so comfortable. You can take the pads out if you want to, but it's just so comfortable. It sits really nicely around my chest. It's just so comfy. So the next three-piece kit that I got was this light grey piece. So this is a sports bra and this was £17.50. Comes with the like support again, and it's just like the pink one with just standard racer back. Then there was this like sleeveless crop top, which I thought was a little bit longer than it is, but it isn't. It kind of reaches to your waistline, and this one was £21. The leggings to go with these were £22.50. I was a little bit disappointed because the reason I got the sports bra and the top was because I thought the sports bra would kind of sit here and then the training top would kind of sit on my waistline but meet where my shorts or my leggings or anything came up to. And I think I'll try it on and see obviously, but I'm pretty sure that where my sports bra comes to like by here, the training top comes to a little bit underneath and it kind of looks quite similar. So this is the grey kit, and do you see what I mean? It's only a little bit longer than the sports bra. I'll take this off in a second so you can see the sports bra on its own afterwards. But these are even higher waisted. This is what I mean. I like ultra high waisted, so it's just, I like it when it meets and has that tiny bit of skin. I don't like it when it's like there-ish as much. Like it doesn't bother me, it's just my preference is ultra high. I need like Simon Cowell style leggings, that's what I need, and these are perfect for that. Although the legs are a little bit longer, I had some excess fabric at my legs which I've tried to like equally divide between the upper and lower parts of my legs. You can kind of see the lines of your underwear through here, so once again I would say seamless. This is it from the back, and these are, I didn't think they would be. I was kind of doubting myself, thinking when I tried it on in front of mum and dad, were they not that, like, were they quite see-through? But they're not see-through. I have squatted, I have everything, I'm wearing black underwear and they are completely fine, so I'm very impressed with this. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I do like these as well. I honestly didn't think that I would like each of these sets as much as I did. I was thinking when I was ordering them, I was like, oh well, I will order a few just so I have a bit of a change in my wardrobe from the Primani stuff that I've had for years. And I thought if I get a change, then at least then I will be more inclined to go to the gym and things like that. But I didn't think I'd be ordering to keep everything. I thought I'd be ordering to try out a few and then maybe decide on one, maybe two sets that I might like, not all of them. But I like all of them, and now my gym drawer is overflowing because I got so many extras to go in. And this is it without the tank top over the top, and you can see it's not too much of a difference. It's only a little bit extra skin that you can see. And then this is it from the back. So then I'm just coming on to some random bits and bobs that I got. So I got the Vital Seamless 2.0 Black Mall leggings. These were £32, a little bit more expensive than the others. However, they are very comfortable. I wore these yesterday. They are so comfortable. They sit really nicely on your waist. So yeah, I just wanted a basic pair of black leggings because the ones I did have broke a few years ago. So I've just been wearing like grey ones and things like that. But I just like black leggings. I feel like they're a staple in a gym kit. So I just got some, and they are very comfortable, as they are high-waisted, which is lush, and they stay where they're meant to stay, which is lush, and they're just so flattering, I find. I absolutely adore them. This is the dream come true. I adore it. It's so pretty, and obviously the colour and everything means that they're squat proof, they're black pants proof, they are like the lines proof. I can't see a single nickel line or anything like that. They are just perfect. They're the dream. They literally have the tiniest bit of excess fabric going across the legs. But once again, I've equally spread that through the top of my legs and the bottom of my legs. You can see it kind of bunches up around my waist. But they are so comfortable, so flattering once again. Black leggings are just a win, I think. I just love black leggings, and this is no exception. They're just so nice, and I think they have a really nice like height to them as well. I think it's very flattering. Once again, cinches in your waist. I also picked up these Adapt Camo Seamless shorts, which were £28. I wanted a pair of shorts and my friend's been wearing some, I'm not sure if you got them from Gymshark or Women's Best, but she had some camo full length leggings on, but I wanted a pair of shorts as well because sometimes when I'm doing hits it's really warm and I want to be wearing shorts rather than, or in the summer you want to be wearing shorts rather than leggings all the time. And so I picked these up. They're just really cute and I like camo prints anyway. High-waisted. I don't find that they rise, although I haven't worn them properly yet, but when I was wearing them to show my mum and dad, they didn't seem as if they were rising on my legs, and that is always a plus. They do have some ruching on the outsides of each thigh. So then, these are the shorts. I am in love. I'm obsessed with these. They are so flattering. I didn't think they'd be this flattering. Is that obviously with the ruching detail on the outsides, it doesn't make it come up on the inside. I thought it might look a bit lopsided, but it doesn't. I've got a mirror here just for reference so I can see as well. And I feel like it really cinches in the waist and gives a nice, like, a nice look to it. I think they're really, really flattering. I do think they're very flattering. And then obviously the colour that they are and the thickness, they're a little bit thicker than the rest of them, means that you see no lines, you see no undies. It's not restrictive at all, which I find, I have had some from Amazon which kind of dug into your leg, and then at the end of a workout it might be a bit difficult doing yoga, because I like yoga. It was very difficult to go into a low lunge and things like that, or into pigeon pose, because it was digging into your thigh quite a lot. But this sits really nicely on top of your skin, on top of your thigh. And then finally, I'll put a picture by here because I'm currently wearing my last pair ready for when I go to the gym in a second, is I picked up some training socks from them. So this was a 3-pack for £8 and they're just so comfortable. They're really, really soft, which I didn't think that training socks would be that soft. But I just thought it'd be nice to have a little, I don't know, treat my feet as well as my body. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you all enjoyed and I hope you're having a fabulous new year so far. And if you haven't made any resolutions, you are sticking to them. I am trying to keep myself on top of things. I have like a daily to-do list of things, and I'm literally putting basic things down, like go for a walk, do some reading, do 5 minutes tidying, just to try and keep it in my head. And as long as I do them every day, then hopefully I will just go on autopilot and do those habits each day. So one of the things that we're doing is going to gym more often, which is why I will go and get changed now and be off to the gym. So I hope you have a lovely day, I hope you have a lovely weekend, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye!